warm welcome to all of you. You're watching Dawn News with me, Mustafa, and our top story this hour. 10 years ago, in Karachi, Pakistan, on the 25th of May, 2007, I remember sitting in a studio in West Wharf with Naveen Naqvi on one side and Hamid Haroon sitting right across from us where the camera was. I could see a lot of movement behind him in the control room where Azhar Abbas, Amber Sehgal, Naz Afreen Sehgal and Alia Chughtai among many other people. Now the control room was a small area, but there must have been 25 to 30 people crammed in that small room, looking at screens in front of them. As Naveen and I, under the watchful gaze of Hamid Haroon, launched what turned out to be Pakistan's first English news channel.